Deep in western Kenya, there is a forest older than history, a place so alive it breathes, a place most people have never seen. This is not the Amazon. This is not the Congo. This is Kakamega Forest, Kenya's last remaining tropical rainforest. And what you are about to discover inside might surprise you. Kakamega Forest sits in western Kenya, a green island surrounded by farms and towns. It's the only true tropical rainforest in Kenya, a rare survivor of the ancient Guinea-Congolian rainforest that once covered Africa. This forest is over 30 million years old. Long before cities, before roads, before humans arrived. The moment you step inside, the air changes. It's cooler, heavier, and alive. Towering trees block the sun, creating a natural cathedral. You don't hear silence here. You only hear life. Kakamega Forest is home to species found nowhere else in Kenya. Over 400 bird species, including the great blue turaco, the Brazza monkeys, colobus monkeys, creatures moving silently above you, rare snakes, giant butterflies, life hidden in every corner. This forest isn't loud like the savannah. It's subtle, and that makes it magical. But Kakamega isn't just about animals. It's a living pharmacy. For generations, local communities have used these plants for medicine long before modern hospitals existed. Every leaf has a story. Every root has a purpose. This is knowledge passed down, not written, but remembered. Deep inside Kakamega Forest are trails few tourists ever walk, hidden waterfalls, quiet streams, places where time feels frozen. This is where the forest speaks, if you are willing to listen. This is where the forest speaks, if you are willing to listen. To local communities, Kakamega Forest is more than trees. It's sacred. Stories speak of spirits, sacred sites, places where rituals were once performed. Some paths are avoided even today. Whether you believe the story or not, you can feel it. This forest holds memories. But Kakamega Forest is shrinking. Logging, farming, human pressure. What once covered huge parts of Africa now survives in fragments. Conservation efforts are trying to save what remains, because once this forest is gone, it's gone forever. If you are looking for crowds, this isn't the place. But if you are looking for peace, connection, something real, Kakamega Forest will change you. It reminds you that the world doesn't need more noise. The world only needs more listening. In a world that's moving too fast, Kakamega Forest still waits, breathing, watching, remembering. If this forest touched you, like this video, subscribe for more hidden places, and comment below. Do places like Kakamega Forest still matter in today's world? Let us protect what still breathes. Travel the world with me, your boy Stevie God. Travel the world with me, your boy Stevie God.